This conference will now be recorded.
If it is hanged in between, I will inform in the WhatsApp group like my system is got hanged and I will rejoin. So please wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So anyhow, this is 32 GB RAM. So restarting it will not take much time, very quicker. But only problem is uh, it is taking some time. Like in between, if it is stuck, it will be shut down and it will be restarted. Okay. Please bear with me for today and tomorrow. Most probably Saturday I'm going to the technician. I will verify what is the problem. Okay, I will verify, and most probably it will be resolved on Saturday, so that Monday onwards without any problems it will be fine. So before going to start, any questions? Like I think some of our colleagues has facing challenges. So what is this issue? Varghese, how is it coming on vendor account? Which one it is? Hello, Varghese, you are in mute, Varghese. Which one you are referring, because there are suppose 15 to 20 fields are there. Varghese, remaining people, are you able to hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can hear.
So I don't know, Varghese is not responding. I can't do anything. So if he is not responding, I can't do anything. Fine, we'll continue about the topic, because he has posted like uh, how it is coming, but how it is coming means I did not understand.
Hello.
Yeah, Varghese.
Hello.
Yeah, now
Hello?
it is, you are audible.
Yeah, actually, I joined other system that doesn't have the mic and the camera. That's what. Now,
Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
like I on one of the purchase order, so
Hmm.
it attacks. Then I check the vendor account, showing
Ah.
the transaction. I don't know how it's coming from the transaction amount in transaction currency. What is that actually? I am not getting that.
So this screen is which screen actually?
The vendor account.
Vendor account. See, I'm telling you. Let me share my screen. So this is very bad knowledge or bad experience. Suppose you are opening this like whenever you are sharing with anyone, let me open this file.
Okay.
So let me go to USMF company. 1 second. So the senior and difference, like the difference between senior and junior. Suppose whenever you are taking the screenshot, so take the screenshot like this. If you take like this, I can understand what is the company and what is the form you are looking. It is accounts payable, vendor account. So from this one, you are taking simply like this. Not only you, Varghese, here my intention is not you. If you are taking like this, how can I know like which form this is? Okay, majority junior people, they will do like this. Majority junior people. This is a learning. You need to learn like this, so that I can understand this is you are referring to vendor. Okay, fine. So what is this means? I did not understand. Which field you are referring? Which field you are referring?
Vendor account.
Okay, vendor account. Yeah. From where this one is coming? Am I right? That's what you are asking.
Yeah, purchase order.
Where it is purchase order? No, are you talking about purchase order or vendor account?
Purchase order. After I did the purchase order, I checked the
So,
vendor.
so now the screen whatever you have given is a vendor account or purchase order.
Vendor account.
Vendor account. So I'm in vendor account. Now you are tell me which one you are referring. In the vendor account, we are in the vendor account.
I myself created one vendor account,
Yeah, it
and
is vendor account. Yeah,
then I
please.
for
Hmm.
order
Okay, now you have pasted one screenshot. Is it a vendor account or purchase order?
vendor account.
So in this, what are you referring? Okay, 1 second. Purchase order defaults. 1 minute.
Yeah,
No,
purchase
he's
order.
going. He's going to purchase order.
Default.
Fast tab.
Yeah.
Okay, in this,
Purchase order fast tab. See, there
Amount
is a currency, sir. Account in transaction currency. That is what he's referring.
yes.
okay, this from where it is coming. Okay, if you go to the vendor account, you will find the balance here. You will find the balance. Here it is, whatever it is there in the reporting currency, that amount is coming here.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I got it.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So you can ask the question like see in the vendor account form, like
Okay.
accounting in amount in transaction currency is displaying from where it is coming. If you ask like that, anyone can respond. Okay,
Okay.
here, see, Varghese, I'm not pointing to you only. I'm pointing to everyone here in this group, because everyone is juniors. Because I mean to say, whenever we bond, we cannot walk, we cannot run. Whereas giraffe, whenever it was born, it will run immediately. Otherwise, there will be lions and tigers will be readily available to catch it and to eat. So it should be run immediately. That is giraffe behavior. But being a human being, one person need to guide how to drink, how to eat, how to walk, how to run. Everything one person should be guided. Then only human beings will be grown. Our growth is high when compared with giraffe. Okay, so here that's why I'm not pointing to you, Varghese, for you only. I'm talking about for everyone. Whenever we are asking, you need to take the full screenshot, and I need to understand from which company you are looking, and what is the farm name, and like amount in transaction currency, it is displaying some values from where it is coming. If you ask like that, then we can understand, like you can go to vendor account and then transactions, like transactions, balances, whatever the balance it is there in the reporting currency, that is displaying here. And so now from where it is coming, this balance, where it is coming, that means it is in the transactions. In the transactions, we have transactions. So there are so many transactions. How can I know like which amount it is? Then if you go to invoice tab, settle transactions, it will show you debits and credits. The net amount is this one. The net balance amount is this one. Okay, here debits and credits are there. So I'm selecting this one. I'm selecting this one, and I'm selecting this one. Okay, now I can post it. Now if I go back to the settled transactions, now if you sum up this balance, one is accounting currency, one is reporting currency. This is an accounting currency. If you want in reporting currency, you can add insert columns. We can add here star reporting star amount in reporting currency. You can click update. So it is showing reporting currency. The total amount, if you sum up by taking calculator, if you sum up, then that is equal to reporting currency. This is in amount in accounting currency. Got it? The total value, whatever it is there, that value is here. It is showing in this vendor balance, here also showing, or inside it is showing. Clear, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, let me open Notepad.
Sorry, sir. You selected two transactions. Have you posted it now, isn't it?
It's a posted transactions only.
Okay. Settled
Only posted.
transaction. Okay, settled
Yeah.
transactions. Okay.
Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Good. So here it is settle. This settle transactions means open transactions.
Yep.
These are open transactions. Now this undo settlement means already settled transactions.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Fine. Already settled transactions means invoice and payment. One is invoice. If you select one, second one automatically selected. So if you remove, automatically second one also. Suppose if you am selecting here, second will be automatic. So that is invoice and payment. It is second. And discount it is showing.
The settled transaction only settle we will pay the payment for the invoices, isn't it?
Yeah. See here, this is settled transaction means settle open transactions.
Okay.
Undo settlement means already settled transactions. Okay. Any more
Thank
questions,
you.
team? Anyone? Yeah.
That we need to settle that transaction. So we vendor payment.
Yeah, exactly right. Exactly right. During
Okay.
vendor payment, we need to do the settlement.
Okay.
Okay. Any more questions, team?
Sir, currency revaluation is not coming.
Currency revaluation?
Is not coming, sir. Currency exchange update.
Okay. So,
Unrealized
Jyoti,
profit.
okay, Jyoti. So, while practicing by you and you are getting you are not getting properly, you are getting some challenges. Am I right? That's
Yes,
what
sir.
you are. Okay. So, if you don't mind, can we postpone this one to tomorrow?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll verify your system. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Today I will continue with the topic, and tomorrow we'll verify your system. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Let me save this file. Today, let us understand about item model group. Item model group, which is important. So last like Monday, we learned about postings. Let me recap. You need to remember. So vendor invoice postings, inventory account data to vendor account credit. This inventory account is in the system. It is called cost of purchased material invoice account. And during the product receipt, it is posted to cost of purchased material received. Here, this is cost of purchased material invoiced, because during invoice it is invoiced. During product receipt it is received. Cost of material received account data to purchase accrual account credit. In this, all the accounts where we can map means it is in the inventory management. There are two places. One is setup, inventory, item groups. In the item group, you need to map all the accounts. Here it is there. Or we have posting button. In this we have. So all the accounts where we can map means it is in the item group or posting. Only vendor posting profile. Vendor will be mapped in the vendor posting profile. Customer is mapped in the customer posting profile. Remaining all are mapped in the posting or item posting or item group. Any doubt in this one? You need to be very much clear about this thing. All the main accounts, it was mapped in the posting, in the form posting or item group. Either one you can. Okay, only vendor, it will be mapped in the vendor posting profile. Customer will be mapped in the customer posting profile. Remaining accounts are, it is mapped in the item group. In the item groups will be mapped. Fine. Now let us understand. Next to item group, we have item model group. We have item model group. So in this, everything 80%, 90% is logistics related, trade and logistics related. Few are for finance. Let us understand. First one is checkbox, stocked product. The first checkbox is stocked product. Stocked product. Suppose you are purchasing air conditioner. You are purchasing air conditioner. So air conditioner item, it is item, definitely it is a stocked product, because how many items purchased, how many items sold, it can be tracked. Next one is installation. Can you do it? It is installation is not done by you. Service item. Kind of for this warehouse, how many? If I'm asking, if I suppose
Sir,
I'm
your
asking
voice
how
was
many air
cutting.
conditioners? Am I audible?
It's breaking,
Your
sir.
voice
Am I
is
audible?
cutting, breaking.
Hello,
Yeah, it's audible.
hello. Is it fine now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Is it audible now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now, suppose visited your warehouse, like how? Can you answer? Can you answer like by counting? You can answer. Am I right? Audible?
Yes, sir. But when you are
You
asking
are
question, that
audible, but
time,
it's breaking. It's not
yes,
clear.
yes.
Yeah. Is it now fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Am I? Okay, fine. Thank you. Suppose 20 in air conditioners received. Okay. Now you have sold 10. Then how many available in your warehouse? How many available in your warehouse?
10.
10. Okay. This is fine. Now, how many available installations? Is there a meaning? Any meaning on that one? How many available in your installation? In your company, how many installations are there? Do you have any answer for that? No, am I right?
So, sir, it's a part of service.
It's a part of service. That is non-stacked product. That is non-stacked product. Understood now? Air conditioning is stacked product. Installation is service item, non-stacked product. So it is a part of P&L, as I told you. So while creating, you can create one is stocked product. If it is a stocked product and this checkbox is enabled, this checkbox is enabled, these checkboxes will be enabled. If you remove this one, automatically it will be removed all these things. This is non-stacked product. So while creating item model group, anyhow logistics consultant will do it. So he will create one is stocked product, normally stocked product, and otherwise non-stocked product. Understand the difference between stocked product and non-stocked product? So if it is a non-stocked product, let me show you duplicate. product information management, products, release products. So here, suppose item type service and filtering. Suppose this one you can take S0001. If you verify it is expense item. Expense item means non-stacked product. Okay, if it is a non-stacked product, then on-hand inventory will be disabled. Getting my point? Understood? Even though it is a T&L topic, you should know. So please unmute yourself. Please respond. Understand the difference between this stacked product and non-stacked product?
Yes, sir. Yes, understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So while creating an item master, accountant, stores people or stores department, they will create. At that time, they will select item model group, expense item, or FIFO, stacked product. So here it will be created stacked product or non-stacked product. This is non-stacked product. That means expense item. This is stacked product. Fine. This is about first checkbox.
I have a
Yes,
doubt.
please.
So the
Yeah.
expense products means a non-stock product. For all the
Yes.
companies like that, same?
Yes, yes. So while creating item master, you need to map it. Let me show you. So while creating this item master, you need to map. So if you remember, in the long back I have discussed. Let me go to item model item. If you want to create an item master, you need to understand storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item group, and item model group. Now we are discussing about this one. So in the item model group, we can have while creating new, you are selecting item model group. So you need to decide which one I need to select. Got it? Which one I need to select? It is you are deciding. It means stores people or stores department, they will take the decision which item model group I need to select. If it is this one is a service item or service like air conditioner servicing, installation, cleaning, servicing, all those things, I will map expense. If it is a washing machine, I will enter directly FIFO or LIFO. Understood? Got it? Fine. I hope it is clear now. Okay. So because see, whoever is asking questions, please unmute and ask me like whether you are able to follow me or not, because this is most important.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay, fine. Next one is
Yes, sir. Understand.
stacked product. Okay, next one is non-stacked product. Stacked product we understand. Next one is model groups. Item model group. So here we have FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, LIFO date. All these things are there. Okay, it is a big subject. It will take at least 2 sessions to understand about this one. I'm going to teach you. Of course, this is a part of T&L. Frankly, if I speak, it is T&L, but we should know finance. Being a finance consultant, it is impacting finance department. That is the reason we need to learn. Okay, we'll discuss this one. Next one is post physical inventory, post financial inventory. So post financial inventory means post financial inventory. Post financial inventory means it is at the time of invoicing, at the time of vendor invoice, or at the time of customer invoice, inventory is posting. Am I right? Agree? At the time of vendor invoice, inventory is hitting. At the time of customer invoice, it is inventory is posting. inventory value. That is because of this checkbox. Because of this checkbox, it is posting to inventory value. Okay, post physical inventory. What does this means? Post physical inventory means at the time of product receipt or at the time of packing slip, inventory value is posting. Means in the Excel file, I told you at the time of product receipt, if you want financial postings, I told you one checkbox, it is in accounts payable parameters. Last Monday we learned. Along with this one, we need to have item model group, post physical inventory. What it means, if these two checkboxes enabled, then only this transaction will be posted. Getting my point? If you want financial postings at the time of product receipt, one is in the item model group, post physical inventory checkbox should be selected, and in the parameters, accounts payable parameters, these two checkboxes, if it is enabled, then only it will post to this. So if you want product receipt postings, you need to have one is item model group posting. Item model group means this one. In the item model group, post physical inventory should be selected, and one more, accounts payable parameters. This is your task. Purchase order invoice, vendor invoice is not your job. Remember. Okay, so your task is this one. You should know about these setups clearly. So post product receipt in ledger and post physical inventory checkbox. These two checkboxes, if it is enabled, then product receipt postings will be updated. If it is any checkbox is not selected, then product receipt voucher will not be displayed. Inventory will not be posted. Got my point? Are you able to follow? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These two checkboxes should be there. Then only product receipt posting will be done properly. In the
Can you
same
show
manner.
me in the system, sir?
Yeah.
Right.
So this one, post financial inventory means if you here item model group, post financial inventory, checkbox should be selected. So suppose I will take two items. Release a product S3001. This S3001, if you go inside, this is expense item. For this expense item, there is no physical inventory, there is no financial inventory. Am I right? Another item, S401. I will go to that one. So let me filter by begins with S. I have created some more items. Is it? Just give me a minute. Okay.
Sir, I think you have filtered service. Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Let me start with this. Yes. So now S0001, it is already created by system. This is expense item. For this, is there any check boxes? No, am I right? Okay. And for S401, this one, it is item, and FIFO, it is enabled check boxes. Am I right? Agree? Any confusion
Yes.
here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I will create a purchase order. I will create a purchase order quickly. All purchase orders. So I'm clicking on new purchase order. Select the vendor. Select the site and warehouse. First I'm selecting S0001 service item. This item I will take installation services. Installation services S0001. Okay, one quantity 75. I'm doing confirmation. I'm doing confirmation. Next, I'm doing product receipt. So before going to product receipt, I will show you the linkage. I'm canceling this one. See this item. I'm opening this item. I'm just opening this item number. I'm clicking on item number. Item number is linked with item model group. Item model group, it is not there. Sorry, post fiscal inventory, post inventory. Okay, understood? I'm closing all these tabs. Now I'm doing product receipt. Receive tab, product receipt. Actually, in the accounts payable parameters, it was enabled. But now I'm doing product receipt. If you click on OK, I'm doing product receipt. Okay, if you go to journals, product receipt, voucher details, so it is there. It is not inventory account. It is not inventory account. Which account it was posted means this item is linked with, let me open this file. This item is item model group is expenses. In this you have not entered like a post physical inventory, you have not enabled. You have enabled like accrue liability product receipt only. So in the item in this item. What is this item group? Service. In this item group service, okay, here it was mapped with, see, look at this one, inventory is not mapped. Cost of material inventory is not mapped, not required. It was posted to cost of like purchase expenditure and invoice. That's what it is. Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is not
expense account.
hitting. It is not hitting inventory.
Direct expense account.
Exactly. And one more, because it is a non-stock product, it is a non-stock product, you cannot see transactions at all. You cannot see the transactions at all. Okay, I'm doing invoice. I'm doing invoice. Generate area page, invoice button. Enter the invoice number. Date. Now post this one. If you verify the voucher now, if you verify journals, invoice, voucher, it will not post to the inventory account at all. Look at this one. Inventory account is not there. Purchase expenditure uninvoiced, earlier it was posted debit, now it was posted credit. And purchase accrual account, it is earlier it was credited, now it is debited. And now purchase expenses, it is posted. How it is means the vendor item in the item, if you go to item group, if you verify, it is purchase expenditure for the product, it is posting. Purchase expenditure for product, it is posting. Look at this one. Sorry, not this one. Purchase expenditure for expenses, like here, downside it will be there. Purchase expenditure for expenses, this account will be posted. That's what here. It is not hitting inventory. The reason behind why it is not hitting inventory, item is linked with item model group. In this item model group, these checkboxes are not enabled. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Earlier, whatever we have posted, it is till now whatever we have posted, all are these transactions. These transactions, because of that, it is posting inventory accounts. Only first one is expense account. So actually, item model group is a part of T&L. Item group is a part of T&L. Item group also. Item model group and item group. But is it required for finance consultant? Yes or no? Is it required for finance consultant to monitor? Am I right? It is required.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
so don't misunderstood, like, because why I'm telling this one, and why I'm telling this one, in many times when I'm checking with many people, finance consultants, when I'm checking with many finance people, they are telling like item group and item model group is a part of logistics, sir. It is not. I don't know about that one. I don't know. It is not required. So without this item model group knowledge and item group knowledge, can you become a finance consultant?
No, sir.
Can you?
No.
So I saw many people, item group means it is item means logistics. It is not relevant to me at all. Who will take care about all these things? These postings. So the above first part, this is finance. Of course, as per Microsoft, it is T&L, but it is hitting to the finance.
Yes.
Downside, it is inventory. Okay, of course, this is not your responsibility. Fine, no issues. You can leave it. But this part is costing method and cost recognition, it is most important for you. You should know. Both finance and T&L consultants should know about this one.
It is generating accounting entries, correct, sir?
Exactly right. Based on these setups, it is
Yes.
generating accounting entries. So who will take care? Accountant, like a normal,
Fine.
like logistic stores persons, they will least bothering about these things. Am I right? Agree?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Now let me go back. So now for financial postings on inventory, if you want inventory, it is item model group, financial inventory, post financial inventory. This is for invoicing. This is for packing slip
Product.
and product receipt. So along with this checkbox, this checkbox also should be there. Then only it will post to the financial. This is for financial voucher. This is for inventory voucher. This is for inventory and this is for financials. In the same manner, for AR side, this is for packing slip, inventory transaction, and for AR side, accounts receivable setup, accounts receivable parameters. Here updates this one. Post packing slip in ledger. So if I explain this one in the very first day, are you able to understand this entire thing? Are you in a position to understand in the first week of explanation? Are you?
Not much, sir. Not much.
You cannot. You will confuse a lot,
Yes.
and you will blame me like Satya sir is not explaining properly. If you are not able to understand what is the final one, Satyas are not explained properly. I'm telling you, not Satya here, everyone. So that is the reason I will, whenever I'm providing training, I will start with first one is like transactions. First, if you understand the transactions clearly, you can understand setups later on. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is my teaching technique. That is the reason many people are joining for myself. Okay, fine. Now let me proceed. 1 second. Okay. So now we understood clearly these two checkboxes. We are clear. Okay. Next. This post deferred revenue account on sales delivery. Okay. This is majorly used in standard cost method. Post deferred revenue account, it will be more in like a standard cost method. So okay, we'll discuss this one tomorrow in detail. Now let us coming to here. There are methods. First, let me introduce this one today, and I will discuss with you tomorrow and continuation. One is FIFO. Next one is LIFO, and then weighted average. There are so many. First, let us understand these three. Can anyone have any idea what is these different methods? Anyone? Anyone has any idea?
Not much, sir, but
First in, first out, last in, first out. The weighted average is
First in, first out. Okay, at least abbreviation we know. First in, first out. Okay, and last in, first out. Anyone know about in depth what it means? Anyone?
FIFO means
yeah. This is first in, first
uh,
out means if we assign the costing method as a first in, first out. When so if example if you buy item as a $50 and as a first transaction, second transaction, 60 transaction, if you assign as a first in, first out, when you post a sales order, then $50 will be considered as the first sales, $60 will be considered as a second sale. So that is
That's
first
good.
in, first
That's good.
out.
That's good.
So
Good.
the
That's
first in, last out is in a different. It will consider, but it will be in different manner. So whatever
good.
first in will be go as the last one.
Okay, fine. That's correct. That's correct. Now, many people, and some other person is also explaining. If you can explain once again, recap or reiteration, that will be great. Can anyone, someone else also speaking?
Yeah, the item which it is purchased for FIFO,
Hmm.
the item
Hmm.
which we purchase first, that
Hmm.
it will be sold.
Okay. So here, suppose many people, okay, in this one there is a half information. Suppose this is first I have purchased, later I have purchased this one. So if it is mapped FIFO, whether these items will be gone first? Are you expecting like this?
Not like that. It's only the cost amount.
Yeah. We'll come to Ismail. Please wait. Remaining people, let me understand. Yeah. Yes, please.
I, sir, as per my understanding, I mean, inventory will go first, sir. I mean, if something is getting inward to our records, so while
Hmm.
doing sales order, that inventory will capture, I mean, whatever we purchased initially.
Okay, fine. So because I want to explain and I want to remove your wrong messages in your mind. Okay, some wrong messages in your mind, it will be there. What I mean say here, what I mean to say here, suppose I have mapped FIFO. I have mapped FIFO. So many people think like business people are saying, so many people they will think like if I mapped FIFO, this is I have purchased on in the month of January. This is purchased in the month of February. This is purchased in the month of March. This is purchased in the month of March. And this is purchased in the month of April. So first lot is purchased in the month of Jan. This is Feb. These two are March. These two are April. So if I'm selling item, this will not be go out. I'm not sure whether this material is going out or this material is going out or this material is going out. I can't predict. Why? Delivery boys, the stores department or delivery boys, whether he is picking item from here, whether he is picking item here or here or here, system cannot track. Understood? FIFO will not look at the physical stock. It will not look at this physical stock. If you want this item should be delivered first, then you need to map batch number here. If you map batch number, if you map expiry date or manufacturing date, then only it will be picked by the from this block. Normally, FIFO means the first in first out means whatever we have received the item that is not going out. I'm not sure the same item is going or different item. But here Ismail told like the first transaction, Ismail and I think Sai, am I right? Sai Valabhaneni.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So the first transaction will be deducted. This is in the system, the transaction will be selected. What it means? What it means? Okay. Suppose, let me explain you. The purchase order I have purchased in the month of January, 10 multiplied with 100, it is 1000. Same plastic chair, each one is 10, 100 rupees, 10 I have purchased. Next one is PO, suppose 25, another purchase order I have purchased 10 quantity at the rate of $120, 1000, 1200. Now I sold one item, suppose 8 quantity at the rate of 200, it is 1600. So system internally it will calculate it will deduct from here. Okay, just give me, bear with me 5 minutes. I will discuss with you. So except Ismail and Sai, please, you can keep silent for 2 minutes. How many quantity available in my warehouse? Can anyone answer? This is very simple answer. How many
12.
quantity available in my warehouse? 12. Good. Answer is fine. 12. How much amount of chairs available? Can anyone answer now? Not Ismail and Sai. Remaining people are
1400.
1400. How you got it?
First chairs will be 200, second chairs will be
Yeah.
1200.
Exactly. So if you map FIFO,
We can't hear you, sir.
Hello.
No, we can't hear you.
We cannot hear you, sir.
Satya sir?
am I audible team now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, so there is a, as I told you, like network issue. I'm really sorry. Fine. So now I think you are able to see my screen. Is it visible?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So actually I'm not sharing. That is previous screen sharing only it is working. Okay, we'll continue with because I'm not able to do it. Screen sharing, some technical problems. Fine. So now if you map FIFO model, what happens? First from 10 quantity, 8 quantity was deducted. Remaining 2 quantity is 2. 2 multiply with 100, 200 plus 1200, it is 1400. Got it?
So
Yes.
screen is visible, but the screen was not moving anything.
Yeah, I
You're
know,
writing
because I'm not able to do anything. So there is a, so I need to rejoin. So we'll continue tomorrow. Anyhow, we'll continue. Just I'm
Okay.
explaining orally. So 10 quantity, we have purchased initial 10 quantity at the rate of 100. It is 1000. Next 10 quantity at the rate of 120. So now whenever we sold, it was deducting. System is deducting first from first 10, like 8 quantities deducted. Remaining two quantity is 2 multiplied with 100, 200 plus 1200, it is equal to 1400. This is inventory calculation, inventory valuation. If you map FIFO method, inventory valuation, it is calculating 1400. Understood that one, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you please repeat?
So initially it is like we have 8 quantity we sold, am I right?
Yes.
If we sold means it was gone and it was deducted. Now that 8 quantity system is calculating from the first lot it was deducted. Okay, from the first PO1 8 is removed means how many available there?
2.
So 2 multiplied with 100, 2 multiplied with 100,
200.
200, remaining 1200.
200.
So 200 plus 1200, it is 1400. Understood?
Yes.
If you map FIFO, it will be 1400. If you map LIFO, then what is the calculation? From the last means P025, 8 was gone, remaining 2 quantity with 120. What is the price? 2 into 120?
240.
240 plus like 1000 above. So 1000 plus 240.
1240.
1240. That is LIFO calculation. Weighted average, some more calculations are there. I will explain it tomorrow. Okay, weighted average. LIFO and FIFO, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If we select in system first FIFO, then only we take purchase order one, right?
Yes, exactly. You are right.
Yeah.
Okay. If you map
Got it,
LIFO,
sir.
it will calculate that one. Okay. This
Okay.
is for inventory valuation. This is for inventory calculation or inventory valuation. Okay. Understood FIFO and LIFO at least, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, in this example, we have done two purchase transactions, one for 10 quantity and another one is also for 10 quantity. So, with the base of this example, if I take pharmaceutical industry, I'm running a trading company, pharmaceutical trading company. So, in the first transaction, I've purchased few tablets. So, in that, few of the tablet sheets are having nearby expiry date, maybe below 1 year, and few of the tablet sheets are having more than 2 years of expiring. So further, if I want to release, I mean, as and when I process the sales order, if I want to pick up basis the nearby expiry sheets, so how can I make that criteria, sir? I mean, is it basis the batch number or the?
Perfect question. It is batch number. In the batch number, we have expiry date, that is first expiry, first out, FEFO. FEFO, first expiry, first out. That is also available in the item order group. Tomorrow I will show you. Got it, Sai?
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
So that is also available. First expiry, first out. For all medicines, for all food industries, we need first expiry, first out. Milk packet. Suppose milk packet. The first expiry item I want to dispatch to the customers first, not the second one. So for all those things, it is first expiry, first out, FEFO. Okay, fine. Any more questions, team? Any more questions? Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Actually, there is a technical issues. Because of that, it is inconvenience to all of you. I know, I can understand your pain, but wait for tomorrow, after tomorrow, and I will go to like a technician on Saturday, and I will rectify whether it is a technical hardware issue or software issue. I will resolve it by Saturday, and from Monday onwards, there will not be any problems. Okay, fine. Any more questions, team?
Yes, sir.
Nothing for now, sir.
So from Monday onwards, I'm creating a new company. I'm going to show you new company creation process. Everyone, please try to join live sessions at least 1 week. At least 1 week. Please try to join live session that will be more effective. Whatever the amount you have paid, that is the result is next week only. The entire content, whatever you have learned till now, it is the ultimate goal or aim is next week result. So next week I'm going to teach you company creation process. Everyone, whoever is paid fee, everyone please try to join without fail. If you have any personal issues or something, try to postpone for next week. So only coming week from May 2nd to May 6th, whatever it is there, and whatever I'm going to teach you, that will be most important for your career. Okay, fine. I'm stopping
Sure,
here for today. Yeah, we'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time. See you all. Bye-bye.
thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Bye, sir.
Bye.